Are you truly ready to take your frugal game to the next level? Because today, we're diving into 10 extreme living tips that might sound outrageous at first, but could end up saving you a small fortune. These aren't your everyday, run-of-the-mill money-saving tricks. No way. These tips are for the bold, the fearless, and the fiercely budget-conscious. If you're serious about slashing expenses and stretching every dollar, then you're in the right place. Let's unlock some serious savings. 1. Ditch the dryer. Line dry everything. Ditch the dryer and line dry everything. Seriously, it's a game changer. By skipping the dryer entirely, you can slash your energy bill in a noticeable way. Dryers are among the most energy-hungry appliances in any home, so cutting them out can lead to major savings over time. Line drying your clothes not only uses zero electricity, but it also helps preserve the quality and lifespan of your garments by avoiding the harsh heat that wears down fabric. It costs you nothing but a little time and patience, and the payoff is absolutely worth it for your wallet and your wardrobe. 2. Live without a fridge. Live without a fridge, yes, it sounds extreme, but people around the world actually do it. By embracing alternatives like root cellars, fermentation, and daily trips to local markets, you can eliminate one of the most energy-consuming appliances in your home. It's not for the faint of heart and definitely requires commitment, but in the right climate, it's entirely doable. This approach encourages fresher eating habits, reduces electricity usage, and even minimizes food waste. It's a lifestyle shift, no doubt, but one that can lead to serious long-term savings and a deeper connection to what and how you eat. 3. Cancel hot water. Cancel hot water and embrace the power of cold showers every single day. It might sound uncomfortable at first, but the benefits go far beyond just saving energy. By eliminating the use of hot water, you'll see a noticeable drop in your utility bills. Plus, cold showers can improve blood circulation, boost your immune system, and build mental toughness over time. And here's a bonus. You'll find yourself spending far less time in the shower, which means you'll save water too. It's a win for your wallet, your health, and your overall efficiency. 4. Go off-grid. Go off-grid and take control of your resources like a true extreme saver. This means powering your home with solar panels, collecting rainwater for daily use, and even using composting toilets to eliminate reliance on costly utilities. It's not just a budget adjustment, it's a complete lifestyle transformation. While the upfront effort and investment can be significant, the long-term financial savings are substantial. More than that, it offers a level of independence and sustainability that few other choices provide. If you're ready to break free from monthly utility bills, this path is bold, but incredibly rewarding. 5. Dumpster diving. Yes, really. Dumpster diving is a surprisingly effective strategy for extreme savers. While it may sound outrageous, many people regularly find perfectly good food, household items, and even electronics in commercial dumpsters. Retail stores often discard products due to minor cosmetic flaws, damaged packaging, or items nearing their sell-by dates, even when they're still usable or edible. If done safely and responsibly, dumpster diving can significantly reduce your grocery and household expenses. Just be sure to research your local laws and always follow proper hygiene practices. It's unconventional, but it can save you a shocking amount of money. 6. Live in a vehicle. Live in a vehicle. Yes, it's becoming more common than you might think. From vans to RVs, many people are choosing mobile living as a way to completely eliminate rent, utility bills, and other housing-related expenses. If you're willing to downsize your belongings and embrace a minimalist lifestyle, the savings can be massive, potentially tens of thousands of dollars each year. Plus, you gain the freedom to travel, explore, and live on your own terms. It's not for everyone, but for those who can adapt, vehicle living is a powerful way to cut costs and live debt-free. 7. Barter everything. Barter everything, and we mean everything. Extreme frugalistas have mastered the art of living without spending money by trading goods and services instead. Got a skill, talent, or valuable knowledge? Use it as currency. Whether it's fixing a leaky faucet, tutoring a child, or baking homemade bread, you'd be surprised at what people are willing to exchange. Bartering builds community, reduces your reliance on cash, and opens doors to creative deals you never imagined. It's an age-old practice that still works wonders today, and it might just become your favorite way to save. 8. Extreme grocery budgeting, $1 a day. Challenge yourself with extreme grocery budgeting by spending just $1 a day on food. It might sound impossible, but by focusing on affordable staples like bulk grains, legumes, oats, and frozen vegetables, you can create nutritious, filling meals without breaking the bank. This approach forces you to rethink your eating habits and reveals just how much unnecessary excess we typically consume. While it requires creativity and careful planning, living on such a tight food budget can dramatically cut costs and open your eyes to a simpler, more sustainable way of eating. 9. No-buy year. Take on a no-buy year challenge. Commit to not purchasing anything beyond food and absolute essentials for an entire year. This radical approach forces you to reevaluate your spending habits, break consumer-driven cycles, and prioritize what truly matters. It's more than just saving money. It's a powerful mental reset that helps you distinguish wants from needs. By cutting out non-essential purchases, you'll watch your savings grow and develop a healthier, more intentional relationship with money and material possessions. It's tough, but the financial and personal rewards are absolutely worth it. 10. DIY everything. DIY everything, from repairing broken appliances to crafting your own toothpaste, soap, or even clothes. Extreme frugal living is all about mastering self-reliance and cutting out unnecessary expenses by doing things yourself. Thanks to countless YouTube tutorials and online guides, learning these skills has never been easier or more accessible. Not only do you save money on labor and store-bought goods, but you also gain valuable skills that empower you in everyday life. Embracing DIY can transform your budget and boost your confidence in ways you never expected. Some of these tips are intense. Some may not be for everyone. But even trying one or two could save you serious cash and shift your mindset around money and consumption. Which tip would you try or avoid like the plague? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if you love saving money, subscribe for more extreme and not so extreme money tips, and I'll see you in the next one.